cut or was peeking out this time. I'm TVO Text B, and I'm gonna be the manager. Stop right there! What are you doing here? I'm the manager, not you. Now leave. Nope. Out. Nope. Out. Nope. Out. Nope. Out. Nope. If you don't leave, I will hit you with a metal bar. Just do it. Nobody even cares about me. Okay, TVO text me, but I have to count to 3. No, stop! I was just kidding. Please don't hurt me. It's too late for you, TVO text me. No, please stop. 1,
No, no,
2,
no, 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 no,
3.
no.
That's what you get from trying to steal my job. What was that for? Okay. But anyways, take 7.